Welcome, everyone, and I have to say again, there is nothing that can compare with the feeling before a game. The bustle in the stands, the sounds, the lights, the thrill of the parking lot.
The thrill of the parking lot?
Jim, you just don't understand because you're not a thrill seeker.
Shanahan fires it! Saved by Turek! Petrovicki. Iginla controls the puck. The Flames dump it. Conroy fires! He scores! It trickled in!
Are we at a carnival? Because I just saw some mighty fine fireworks.
On the other hand, these guys don't look too happy about that goal.
Downright grumpy.
Iginla with the puck. Big save!
Let it be a reminder to you. Games like this are won and lost between the pipes.
Yzerman, hard shot. He's with the puck. Yzerman fires hard. Conroy. Fired it hard. Duchesne stops the shot. Nickel gets hold of the puck. That's offside. Yzerman won the faceoff. Hull. Shanahan. Lowry takes possession of the puck. The Flames clear it safely away. Joseph gets the stick on it.
Another night, another game, another save. And yet, it's never boring.
Slager cranks one. Savard. In all alone. Savard
Played him like a ukulele at an all-night luau.
Joseph made the huge save. Dendino with the puck. Slager grabs it. Fedorov. Savard now with the puck. He dumps it. Detroit in control now. Draper. Coop passes it across two lines and play is stopped. The faceoff goes to Calgary. Robitaille gets in the way. He jumps on the loose puck. Iginla. Conroy takes it. Shoved. Shoots the puck from the corner. Picked up by...
This is the part of the game where you start to understand why none of the uniforms are pink.
That's the end of that little drama.
And now one player's suffering the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune.
Kravchuk shoots the puck. Hull.
A 5-minute major for fighters. Calgary penalty to number 12. Jerome Iginla, a 5-minute major.
Shanahan one-times it. He scores!
His skills told the story. Now there's nothing but the glory.
Detroit wipes out the other team's lead as we approach the intermission.
Wiped, disinfected, rinsed, and is now looking to apply a nice layer of varnish to give it that old world look.
Joseph made the save! Datsyuk. Niedermeyer grabs the puck. Krupp rips it! The door is shut by Turek.
It's a good idea to take a shot at least once every couple of minutes.
Niedermeyer with a wrist shot. Saved by Joseph.
There was no chance of that shot going in. Well, maybe a little chance.
Datsyuk shoots. Saved by Turek. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck. Lidstrom backhands it. Saved by Turek.
And now, for those of you whose favorite part of the game is the first intermission, let the fun begin. Jim, I won't lie to you. We've got a close game on our hands.
That was a great opening period. Let's see if the intensity continues here in the second. Robitaille. Fedorov now has the puck. Slager jumps on it. Conroy. Duchesne pushes Iginla. Conroy shoots it. He flattens Slager.
I'm thinking that's going to represent the low point of his day.
Dendino with the puck. Gauthier cranks it.
That shot would have been more effective had it been on, or even close to the net.
Robitaille has a breakaway. Wrist shot. Big glove save by Turek.
I hear there are some openings and put the puck in the net 101.
Niedermeyer. Draper knocks the puck loose. Nickel dumps it in on the end boards. Detroit takes possession. Draper. Rogers has it. Rink-wide pass. Draper shoots it from the right. He misses the net. Turek freezes the puck. Right. Detroit steals it. Shanahan takes control. Hull gets caught offside and play is stopped. McCammon. Savard now with it. Elomo with a wrist shot. Fedorov grabs it. Dandino fires it from the right. Kravchuk. Icing against Calgary. Holmstrom takes control of the puck. Turek denied him.
With the right equipment, a large rooster could have stopped that shot.
Delayed penalty call coming up for Calgary. Saved by Turek.
Not tonight. Not this net. No how.
Yzerman, quick shot. Gauthier will go to the box for elbowing.
The referee is sending him off despite a complete lack of DNA evidence.
Detroit has got to hope this edge in numbers will pay off.
They'll accept most major credit cards or a goal. Whatever's easy.
Yzerman jumps on the loose puck. Hull gets it. It's one-on-one. Gauthier has served his penalty, and that puts his team back on even footing. Kravchuk. Gauthier.
He put the puck through his legs just to prove a point. What that point was, I'm not sure.
Shanahan. Gauthier mows him down. Savard blocked. He takes possession of the puck. Gauthier. Elomo now has it. He gets pushed.
No danger of him hurting anyone with sad little hits like that.
Robitaille. Fedorov gets the puck. Shoots! Turek denies him!
The play came down to him versus the puck, and the guy with the funny mask wins.
Turek freezes the puck. Calgary now with it. Nickel. Niedermeyer got it. Dandino runs over Lowry.
That's the kind of hit that makes people say, really? That counts as a hit?
Fedorov.
Last minute.
Robitaille with a one-timer. Lowry with the puck. Mowed down. Duchesne gets hold of the puck.
I just know the third period will be chock full of excitement. The intermission? Well, less so.
Who have announced their engagement at tonight's game.
So, Don, gonna go out on a limb and predict a winner?
Easy, Jim. We're all winners for witnessing such a close game.
Very smoothy of you, Don.
Smoofy? Stop the presses. Jim Houston made a mistake.
Lidstrom takes control of the puck. Yzerman grabs it. Hull grabbed it. Detroit has it now. Shanahan shoots it hard. He scores! That goal looked great to me, Don.
That goal looked great to everybody, Jim. And what are the three most important words in the third period? Location, location, location.
Location?
I mean scoring, scoring, scoring. Sorry, I used to do this real estate thing.
Dandino. Fedorov got the puck. Cranks one. Blocked. Bugner. He's with the puck. Savard takes it. Duchesne gets the pass from Joseph Dandino. Fedorov had the puck. Shot the puck. He scores upstairs.
The goalie stood there waving as it cruised by on the upper deck.
Detroit has turned up the heat on its opponents with that third period marker.
It's not so much the heat, Jim. It's the humidity that gets you every time.
Offside.
Dandino and by number 28, Steve Duchesne.
Iginla. Conroy controls the puck. Petrovicki has it now. Detroit has it. Robitaille. Robitaille. Datsuk wins the draw. Fisher fires it. Lowry with the puck. Lowry fires! Holmstrom picked it up. He got past Regier. McCarty gets pushed. Fisher grabs the puck. Offside. Elomo grabbed it. Detroit gets a hold of it. Rogers. Rocked. Draper. He gets shoved. Larionov now has the puck. Lidstrom has it. Rogers. Backhand. Detroit gets it. Lidstrom. Kravchuk picks it up. Elomo gets it. Larionov shoves McCammon. The Flames dump the puck in. McCammon scoops it up. Morris grabs it. Saved by Joseph.
I couldn't agree with you more, Jim.
He scores!
Top shelf where you hide the cookies from the kids. Sorry, kids.
It's the home stretch in a one-goal game.
And the question on everyone's mind is, how does Don keep his hair so vibrant? I mean, can they be caught?
Morris scoops up the loose puck.
Morris.
Robitaille. Dandino now has it. Turek stoned him.
Someone said shot, and he said not.
Conroy in all alone. Shoots the puck. Joseph stones him cold. Dandino. Robitaille. Dandino. Calgary is pulling its goalie.
They got it, Jim. It's their only hope.
Dandino.
Last minute of play in the third period.
Dandino shoots the puck. He scores the empty netter. Detroit has ensured itself victory now.
But they can't get careless. Believe me, when you get careless, mistakes happen. Sorry again about the whole pastry gun thing, Jim.
Turek is heading off.
And some other dude is heading on. Oh yeah, that's the extra attacker.
Are you okay?
Rough weekend, Jimbo.
Datsuk, wrist shot, empty netter.
Detroit goal, scored by number 13, Pavel Datsuk.
Bugner knocks him off the puck. Turek, great save.
He stops the offense in their tracks.
Bugner. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Calgary puts its third line out. Draper. Chelios takes possession of the puck. Rogers shoots. Niedermeyer stops the shot. It's all over now. Detroit wins the game.
This team played a physical game out there, and flexing their muscles seemed to work.
Looks good on the beach, looks good on the ice.
For the three-star selection, tonight's third star for Detroit, number 11, Matthew Dandino.